Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I have another recipe finally for you guys. I call it Bela Lugosi's bread. For those of you that don't know who Bela Lugosi was, he played Dracula in the old black and white Dracula films. The title of this video is kind of a play on the Bauhaus song, Bela Lugosi's Dead. For those of you that don't know who Bauhaus is, they are the first goth band, pioneers of the goth scene. Also, I want to give a special shout out to Angela Benedict. She is the reason I came up with this, because she said in one of her videos that she has a shirt, I think it was a shirt, that says Bela Lugosi's bread on it, and it's in her merch store. So big shout out to her. Go watch her channel and go check out her merch. This is kind of an experiment again. What I'm hoping to do with this is actually make black garlic bread. For those of you that don't know what black garlic is, I know I keep on saying that. Black garlic is just regular garlic, but cooked at a really low temperature for a really long time. It also kind of tastes different too. It's got like a kind of a tangy taste to it. But let's get to cracking. Here's what you're going to need for this recipe. 1 loaf of French bread, 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, 2 teaspoons of minced black garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced regular garlic. That actually says chopped, it doesn't matter. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and Hawaiian black lava salt to taste. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and while you're waiting, mix all your ingredients together except for your salt. Next, cut up your bread into 4 pieces long ways. Now butter those babies up. Once they're all buttered up, bake them for 10 minutes. And lastly, salt to taste. Alright guys, now for the taste test. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I made this the other day, and I used like a full stick and like 5 teaspoons of black garlic with, you know, no regular garlic, and it was terrible. I tried it without the bread, and it was just terrible. But here it goes. Bela Lugosi's bread, everyone. My first goth recipe. I hope you would consider that goth. I mean, I tried. That's not bad. Nice and buttery. The salt complements it really well. I tried the salt before I even experimented with the bread, and it was so good. I can't remember what I had it on. I think I had it on Velveeta shells and cheese. That's what I had it on. Maybe I got a little bit too much salt, but I mean, salt to taste. I love salt on my stuff, but I think it could go with a little bit more garlic. Maybe another teaspoon of each. But I would say I got it. I might not be saying that though if I just would have toned down the salt a bit. Because the way I got the salt on here, it's overpowering the garlic. So I felt like maybe I would taste the garlic more if I didn't have so much salt on here. Also, maybe tone down the pepper a bit to 1/4 teaspoon. But you guys should definitely try this. Bela Lugosi's bread. Play on words. Bela Lugosi's Dead by Bauhaus. And once again, another shout out to Angela Benedict. Go check out her YouTube channel and her merch. Go on and go and check it out. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say, and just have fun with it. If you're going to eat some crumbly bread in the middle of the night, just have fun with it and make sure that you keep on wiping the stuff off your mouth. Sometimes I have a bad habit about, you know, recording myself with food on my face. If you're going to try and make a recipe video for YouTube, While your raccoons keep on trying to get in your garbage, just have fun with it. If you're going to go into karate, just have fun with it. Also, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, then hitting the little bell for the notifications, so that way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a share and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.